All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so we're gonna look at a setup to the front headlock and we're gonna use it to get to our opponent's back. So Chris is gonna go to collar tie here. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go hand on the tricep, hand on the wrist. Hand on the tricep, hand on the wrist. I'm gonna turn this direction, putting pressure down on his shoulder. From here, Chris is gonna start to pull away. As he starts to pull away, I'm gonna use this to get to my front headlock. And now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull him to the mat. Now, I'm gonna use this grip on the tricep, pulling his arm up. My left leg is gonna replace the arm. Switching here. I'm gonna switch to my seatbelt, and I'm back to his back. So, one more time. Boom. Boom.